Changing your phone number on Deliveroo is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Open the Deliveroo app. Launch the Deliveroo app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the menu option, usually located in the top corner of the app. From there, select Account or Settings to access your account details. Step 3. Select Personal Information. Within the account settings, look for an option labeled Personal Information or Profile. This section contains your current phone number and other personal details. Step 4. Update your phone number. Find the field that displays your current phone number. Tap on it to edit, then enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the screen. Tap it to confirm the changes and ensure your new number is saved in your account. Now your phone number is updated on Deliveroo. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Deliveroo's customer support for assistance.